Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Bluestacks incompatible Windows setting. So it's pretty simple, and first you want to search for this, turn Windows feature on or off. Once you search for turn Windows feature on or off, open it, and from over here scroll a bit down until you see this option called virtual machine platform. Make sure it's on. Once this is turned on, click on where it says OK, and once you click on OK, try to open Bluestacks. Your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not working, the next thing you can do is find your Bluestacks logo on your PC and right click on it and click on where it says properties. And from inside properties, make sure you're on the compatibility section, and over here make sure this is tick marked. Once this is tick marked, over here make sure you choose Windows 8. After you do that, click on where it says apply, click on OK. Once you do that, now your problem should be fixed, and make sure to restart your PC as well, because sometimes the PC causes the problem. But yeah, that is basically how you guys can fix your Bluestacks compatibility settings problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.